caper for our day 4 challenge. And you see she really likes this front foot targeting stuff here. Today what we're going to work on is place, so getting all 4 feet up. And so I've gone and found some items that I could use for place. Bricks are so versatile. I use these things for everything. So I was using 2 for the front feet, and I put 4 together for a place. I mean, if you got a huge dog, you might need more, but my big old German Shepherd will easily place on that. In fact, my big old German Shepherd was placing on one of them things earlier when we weren't video recording, of course. I know, it's like the Fisher story. Okay, so again, this is not about forcing them. It's about building trust and confidence, letting them explore. So right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm letting her check out all the new stuff, and that's what I was hoping for. Now granted, this isn't her first go around, right? I use this stuff a lot. I use this stuff just when they're driving me crazy because they have pent up energy. Good girl, break. I use this stuff when I go out in public and I want to work on focus and engagement, and building confidence and introducing them to new, hey, right here, surfaces. Good girl, good. I use this stuff in my backyard, again, when they're just driving me crazy. And sometimes I use it indoors on gray days, only I have more appropriate indoor stuff that I use than a couple of bricks because they're dirty. I'm gonna wait and see if she'll offer that forth. Good leg, just like that. Patience and waiting, right? Now, if she was struggling, I could do some things like I sometimes will start getting them going across it. Get it, right? And so I could lure her, ready, get her going across it, get it, like that. Kind of like the box game, only elevated instead of indented, right? Good girl, ready, get it. So a lot of times once you get them going across it, get it, you can build some confidence. Good girl, good girl, get it. She wants to try the cooler. Should we try the cooler? Let's try the cooler. We got some distraction coming by, so let's see how that works for us. 3 legs. I'm going to go with 3 legs and reward that. You know, good. And there's that number 4. Nice job. And a distraction. We're going to work on a little bit of eye contact. Good. Good. That distraction walking by, trying to keep that engagement and eye contact. Good. That was beautiful. Great use of eye contact. That's not what the challenge is about, but hey, something to always be working on. Good. And fitting into all your training sessions anyway. Great. Good. All right. So if they're really comfortable getting onto a place like that, you could also start incorporating a sit down and stand exercise on that place. Now this is a little small. Let's see what I can get out of her. We'll just try it here. Ready? Good. Good girl. And depending on where you are with your dog, this might be too much. And guess what? This might be too much for her today. Good. But I'm going to challenge it a little bit. Stand. Good, good girl. And see what she can do. Good, good sit. Good, stand. Good, good girl. Break. Let's go get more. Let's go get more cheese. Good girl. Can't ever run out of cheese, or hot dogs is another one they like. I can do my place. We did it on the good girl cooler. Good, she likes that. Let's go. Good. There's 3 and there's 4. Nice work, today. So your challenge is to find some objects that you could use for different place work. Turn on your patience and let the dogs offer you some really cool behaviors. Use something scrumptious like cheese or hot dogs, and movement goes a long way. Get it? So getting them moving and giving them lots of opportunities to get back on and get it right. Good.